world in which we live is a world of imagination. In fact, life itself is an activity of imagining.
Everything that's in your imagination, God gonna make it come true for you. You just got to believe that. God make dreams come true. He take poor kids with speech impediments and put them all over TV. He take drug dealers and turn them into doctors. If God can do that for me, explain to me how he can't do it for you.
Imagining creates reality.
Well, I guess you could call it daydreaming. That's the way Disneyland was conceived. A dream that grew into a reality.
What you'll realize is that you're more powerful than you can ever begin to imagine. What you will realize is that you're greater than your circumstances.
No money, no human resources, no building, no funding, no support. We dreamed, we wrote the dream down, we slept the dream, we ate the dream, we rehearsed the dream, we looked at the dream, we talked about the dream, we slept with the dream, we woke up to the dream, we wore the dream, and now boom, it's our reality. And for some of you, you stop dreaming. You dream for a week and you stop because things around you don't look good. I dare you to use your imagination. You dream for a while, and when people tell you crazy, you stop dreaming and you go back to knowledge. And I dare you to use your imagination. I dare you when you're broke to use your imagination. I dare you when you're rich to use your imagination. I dare you under every single circumstance. Keep dreaming. Keep looking at your dream. Keep focusing on your dream. Keep going after the dream because that's where true success is.
Einstein's most famous quote, one of his most famous observations, he said, imagination is more important than knowledge. Knowledge is limited. Imagination encircles the world.
Imagination is everything. It's a preview to life's coming attractions. Everything you've ever imagined is real.
The imagination is always manufacturing scenarios, both good and bad, and the ego tries to keep you trapped in the multiplex of the mind. Our eyes are not viewers, they're also projectors that are running a second story over the picture that we see in front of us all the time.
Fantasy is not nothing. It is, of course, not a tangible object, but it is a fact nevertheless.
I can't shake the dream, but I don't have the details for the dream. I don't quite know how to make the dream happen, and it's quite lonely on the journey to get to the dream. So the cost of the dream seems really high, but the dream won't go away. I'm shaking again about the dream.
You need somebody that can rally people around an idea, that's pushing themselves and other people to get better, that has just an unyielding sense of what the art form can become.
And you place into your imagination fearlessly the I ams which you would like to create for yourself.
And ask yourself, what's my dream? What's my dream?
Logic will get you from A to B, but imagination will take you everywhere.